Hello.
Hello. Okay, I'm taking this off. What's up, everybody? We're gonna be doing a blindfolded makeup thing, but all three of us are gonna do it. So
we were like trying to think of ways to incorporate everybody.
So we're each going to do half of everybody's face. By the way, I guess you should probably introduce people. This is Quinn. If you don't know her, I will put a link to her channel below. This is Sandra. She doesn't have a YouTube channel. So I'm going to be doing this half of Quinn's face, and Sandra's going to be doing the other half. We're gonna switch around, and so Sandra's gonna do one half of mine, and Quinn will do the other,
Yep.
and then Quinn and I will each do half of Sandra's face.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait,
all right.
Oh, this is gonna be so difficult.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta start with foundation.
Okay. Okay.
Did I get any on my hand? I don't know. Can I have the foundation back, please?
Okay, I got some.
Oh, it's open.
Yeah, it's open. It's open. Can I have a sponge?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
There's nothing coming out of here.
You gotta
Just wait
like
a
actually
while.
dump it.
Just wait a
Okay,
while.
I don't know how this is my.
Yeah,
it's
there
my
you go.
hand.
Okay,
See?
that feels like something. Okay, I'm just gonna go. I think I'm just gonna go straight in with my fingers.
Okay.
Does that feel nice?
I don't know what's happening.
I don't either.
It feels like you look great.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think I have anything on my hand right now.
I've got a lot. You need some blending.
You look so funny through the camera, Sandra.
Okay, this is gonna be a struggle opening. Oh, or not.
It's always around the nose. It's hard to blend. Gotta
Yeah.
do extra there.
This feels really weird.
Is that your eyeball?
That's
Oh,
your
okay.
face. That's your face.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's my face.
Put this down.
This must feel so odd.
Okay, that feels like a good color.
Okay.
I think this is just your shade.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, where's your ear?
What?
That feels right. There we go.
Get
Perfect
that
brows.
hairline, you know.
I'm gonna do
Here.
something fun.
Wait, Quinn.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I'm trying to find your face.
Let's go into
Okay, I just
this
completely
color.
missed.
Is
Okay.
this one color or am I swirling multiple colors? I can't tell.
Can I have the highlighter brush? Okay.
Where's your eyeball? There. Okay, we're just gonna fluff this into the crease. And we're just gonna go in for another color. This one right here.
Wait,
Oh, you turned your head.
We're gonna do a halo
This
eye.
feels so weird, Sandra.
Okay. I think that's
And
the best we're gonna do with that.
this color right here.
Okay.
Okay, can I
And we're
do-
gonna do a halo eye. So where's your eye? Oh, there it
Um,
is. I'm giving you a halo eye.
okay.
It's gonna be gorgeous. You're
Yeah.
gonna look great.
Yeah.
Sandra, do you want the eyeshadow?
Oh yeah, I'll do that now. Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Here.
Oh, Quinn, where's your eye?
Do this all the
over
time.
here.
Close your eye.
Okay? Sucking your cheekbones.
Oh wait, that's your nose. That's your nose. Wait.
Just blend it out.
Okay.
That feels blended.
I can't wait to see this.
We're gonna glow.
Quinn, you ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Mascara.
Hello.
Minta.
This feels like a cheek.
That's not your eyelashes. Okay, this is gorgeous.
I'm gonna go in for lipstick, I think.
Okay. Okay.
Where's your mouth?
I'm gonna do.
Where's your mouth? Okay.
Wait, where's my lip? There's my lipstick.
Is that your mouth? I think that's your mouth. Here we go. Bottom lip. Top lip. Yes.
You can't even see what you're doing. It sounds like you can see. Okay. We're gonna try lipstick.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, mostly close your eyes, but have them a little bit open.
Yeah,
when you do
they
mascara.
are. Don't worry.
Ooh, that feels like eyelashes. Either that or eyebrows. I really hope it's eyelashes.
Alright, we ready?
Yep.
Oh my gosh!
The foundation is pretty good. Mascara and lipstick, not so much.
I feel like I did better on lipstick.
All right, let me do a close up of you.
Yeah.
Oh, gorgeous.
I know.
Glow queen.
I was actually pretty hopeful throughout it. Because you guys did really well with my foundation. I was like, oh, they got this. You know what?
Maybe not that much.
Yeah.
Who's the next victim?
Minta.
Ooh, is it my turn?
Yeah. Let me just get over this.
Okay, I feel.
We'll fold it after.
Okay,
You're about to elbow me in the face.
Sorry.
Okay, now Quinn and Sandra are going to be doing my makeup. That's my face. Yep. Yep. Okay. You want to give it to Sandra?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're supposed to stay on your side of my face.
Sorry.
Stay in your lane, Quinn.
Did I just get it all?
No, not you.
Okay. Hey, I'm trying.
I can't see anything.
Okay, sorry.
I fear for my eyes. You're doing good.
Okay.
Am I doing this right?
You're doing something, that's for sure.
For the sake of Minta's eyes, I think I'm gonna skip this concealer.
That's it.
Yay! I got it! Do you have
did the same thing Quinn did. There's 2 layers.
Oh.
Do you have an eyeshadow brush? Your eye.
Right there. That's an eye.
I feel like I'm doing really bad right now.
Okay, Minta, can you close your eyes for me, please?
They're closed.
Okay, good.
I am guessing that's the eye. Oh wait, that was the
Yeah.
eye. I'm sorry.
I didn't say anything.
Okay, where is your eyelash?
Oh, it's right there.
Okay.
Do you want my eyes closed? I want my
Yeah.
eyes closed.
Yeah, I'm doing it wrong. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just not gonna screw it up anymore, so.
Minta, where is your ear?
Wait, what's happening over there, Sandra?
I'm trying to do
She's
bronzer.
doing bronzer.
Okay,
Yeah,
and I
where
need
is
lipstick.
There's my mouth.
Yeah, that's... Okay, can you start?
Oh no.
Oh god, this is a good idea.
Okay. Oh wait, your eyes are closed, aren't they?
I'm sorry. I know I'm probably doing it wrong, but. Wait, I'm not even at your mouth, am I?
No.
Are you scared for your life?
A little bit.
Yeah, Minta, I apologize in advance, but this is really entertaining for me.
I think something just dropped on me. Can you...
There you go.
Okay, there we go.
Alright, eyeliner time!
Oh dear God.
Yeah. Why do we think this was a good
It's
idea?
felt tip, it'll be fine.
This is already bad.
Are you trying to do a cat eye?
Yeah.
Alright, eyes are closed.
Okay. God, it's so off. I just know it.
Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna do a wing look.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm done.
It's interesting
Okay.
to know that you guys
I
have
need
no
your-
depth perception.
And I think I'm done, right? Do you feel like I'm done?
I feel like I want you to be done.
Yeah.
Where's... I need your face. Okay.
Am I looking at the camera? Sandra. Hi. Hi, Sandra. You're not responding to me. That's
I am
nice.
focused. I'm sorry.
I think we can establish Sandra's the best at lipstick blindfolded.
Okay.
Alright, you ready to see?
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh! Wait, I actually did the mascara! I actually
You did the mascara! I don't know how you did the mascara!
Oh my gosh, the
There it
bronzer.
is. A bit low. Someone's use their phone and do a close-up of this.
Oh. You're looking good.
I look great.
You look fly.
Feel great.
Do I look beautiful? I feel like the Joker. Alrighty
Sandra's
then.
turn.
Alright, blindfolds on, ladies.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Can you hand me the foundation?
Sounds
Yeah, that sounds very strange.
you.
blindfolds on, lady.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Alright, I'm doing foundation right now, Minta.
I have the sponge.
Here's a sponge.
I got
you
some of
have
it on
it.
my finger. I'm pretty good with foundation.
Sorry. You got it right when you said that you got it on my teeth.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm closing my eyes. Oh my gosh.
Yes, close your eyes.
Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Hold your horses. Okay.
We need to do some highlighting with lighter colors using the concealer.
I feel like I'm doing pretty well so far, honestly.
Gotta do
But when
it.
we get to like the color stuff, bye-bye, Sandra.
Down
Sandra's
the
beautiful
nose.
looks.
I
Okay.
think you feel blended.
I do
Okay.
feel blended.
Okay. I feel like this is the black eyeshadow for some reason.
Oh god.
Minta is working the powder. Wait, you're asking? That's the back of my head.
Woo! There we go.
Okay, I'm shutting my eyes.
Okay,
Okay.
that's a wise decision. You're gonna have a glowing nose.
Okay.
That's my goal for this look.
How do you feel like you're doing right now, Minta?
I feel like I'm doing great.
Okay. I feel like I'm doing decent.
I think this is the dark brown.
Yeah, good job.
Ooh, yes. darken up the outer corners a little bit. There's like a yellow, like here. We're gonna go in the inner corner with that.
I'm ready for mascara.
You need mascara?
Yeah.
I need the eyeliner.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
The side
At
I
the same
use.
time. Okay.
The side I use.
This is eyeliner.
Okay. Here we go. This is gonna look great.
Lipstick
Do you
now.
feel beautiful, Sandra?
Oh yeah. It's so much worse when I can see what's happening.
I need the mascara.
Here you go, Minta.
That doesn't feel like eyelash.
This is gonna be a really long video, y'all.
That feels like that might be eyelashes.
Okay. Don't take, I just dropped it.
Here we go.
Minta, I went like that with my hand.
I can't see you.
Take another moment.
I
Okay.
also need lipstick. Where?
Do you feel like I'm done?
Yeah, that's my
That's a mouth.
Do you feel like I'm done? You want me to be done? Yeah.
I'm laughing at Minta right now.
That feels right. Yes.
We're all gonna look awesome together though.
Keep missing. Do you need a little help?
I got it. There we go.
Alright, are you done, Minta?
I think I'm done.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Quinn and her famous eyeliner.
Okay, I can't do lipstick while blindfolded.
Yeah, you did it like. So, am I the crown champion of blindfolded lipstick?
You are.
Yes.
You're the only one who can do it. My eyeliner is not that bad. Your
Okay.
eyes actually look cool.
Yeah.
But like, look at your eye though that I did.
What
It's
about
not
my eye?
bad.
What about my eye?
It looks like a raccoon.
Considering the circumstances, I don't think we did like terrible. I don't.
We could have done worse.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, what? One last final look. The three of us.
I think Minta looks the
great.
worst. I think I look the best. I don't think I look like too horrible.
I would agree.
Yeah.
Because you don't have eyeliner.
Yeah.
That was the
Can you guys do
fail.
eyeliner on me really quick?
You go first.
Okay.
I feel confident. I feel cool, calm, and
Okay.
confident.
Cool, calm, and collected.
Cool, calm, and collected. This is gonna look amazing. You're gonna be even more beautiful. I'm gonna do a cat eye.
Okay.
Yes.
Gotta get the right angle.
You can do it, Sandra.
Okay. So before you guys do this. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Minta, you didn't do that bad, Sandra. Alrighty.
So who looks the best?
I think I do.
I look like I'm crying.
Let's take a selfie.
Yeah.
This is stuck on my hair. All right, this is just part of the look.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Well,
we gotta take this off.
Yeah, we're gonna.
We're gonna take
I'm
this
gonna
off.
leave this on, like literally.
Let's go out to eat wearing
With this.
This is gonna be a new trend.
Yep.
You know, with especially like the lipstick on the chin.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my last video that I did. And yeah, okay. Thanks
See
for
ya.
watching.
Bye.